I'm going to show you how I went from being a broke single mother to making up to $900 a day, sometimes even in my sleep, all from the comfort of my home. And let me be clear, I have tried everything from any side hustle you can think, surveys, spamming affiliate links, and sending DMs to people, and none of it worked long term for me. But then I found a system that actually works. And today I'm going to show you exactly what I did and how you can start a step-by-step online business even as a complete beginner, just like myself. So by the end of this video, you will know what digital products to sell, how to automate your business, and how to use social media without even having to be an influencer. My name is Alana and I'm a single mom from South Africa in Cape Town. I was sitting at my dining room table crying because I was over 50, had worked all my life in 9-to-5 low-paying jobs, and yet I had nothing to show for it. No savings, no time, and no backup plan. I felt like I failed, not just myself, but to my kids as well. I had done everything I was told to do. Work hard, stay loyal to companies, and keep on trying. But it just left me broke and completely exhausted, begging for school fee extensions and borrowing money from whoever I could at the end of the month. Then in November of 2023, I found something that changed me and my family's life completely. It wasn't a get-rich-quick scheme or a dodgy side hustle. It was a blueprint with steps that I could follow easily. I got done-for-me digital products and it showed me how to market it without having any tech skills, and also to automate the whole process so that I could earn while I'm living my life. And now I work 2 to 3 hours a day. I create 3 pieces of content a day, and the rest I live my life. Let's start with what not to do, because this part will save you time and heartbreak. Don't spend months creating a course when you don't even know what people want. Don't try to be on every social media platform. Rather focus on 1 or 2 in the beginning. Don't get into crypto or trading if you don't have someone that can show you exactly how to do it. And don't do it on your own. When you get overwhelmed with no support, you might end up like me, giving completely up. Here's what worked for me and what I now teach others. Get a high-in-demand program that shows you step-by-step what to do in visual videos. Use automation tools. I set up my landing page and website once, and now it works for me 24/7. Leverage one platform. I use TikTok. I post every day on TikTok. I don't dance or act. I just talk. And number 3, use a rinse and repeat content plan. I post 3 things daily. A pain point video that speaks to someone like I was, a value piece showing a quick tip, and a result or a testimonial clip of people in my community. Automation is your best friend, especially for a mom or someone that works full-time. And here's what I use. A done-for-you website and funnel, automated email system that follows up with leads, a step-by-step system that shows me exactly what to post every day, and how to use ChatGPT so that I don't have to worry about thinking, what am I going to say next? I spend about 2 hours a day checking on messages, doing my content, and replying to emails. The rest runs while I sleep, eat, or spend time with my kids. If you are watching this and thinking, I'm too old, I'm too late, and I failed too many times, I want you to look at me. I'm over 50. I started with no experience, and I turned my rock bottom into a complete comeback. All it took was a decision and a blueprint that actually works. If you want to learn more, I've linked my free guide below. And if you're really serious of changing your life, drop a comment below and say, I'm ready. And I'll send you the info directly.